Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About e to the power of 4s squared in here, I can put into e to the power of 2s squared, everything to the power of 2. So I can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of 2s squared. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about the u equals to 4s e to the power of 2s squared ds. First derivative of this one, you keep about this one in here. First derivative of 2s squared, you got about 4s. But this is not about number 4. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change by u. S e to the power of 2s squared ds we change by the u over number 4. So I will put number 3 going here. The integration of this one, you got about arc of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.